Good day guys, getting started with web development. In this quick guide, we will tell you how to set up your Visual Studio Code the right way for HTML, CSS and JavaScript projects, all in just a couple of minutes. Okay guys, so the first thing to do is to install Visual Studio. So just type in Visual Studio, go to download, it's going to be the official Microsoft website, and just download this file right over here. Next, you need to head to the Extensions tab and install three must-haves. Firstly, Live Center for instance preview in the browser, Prettier to auto-format your code, ESLint to catch JavaScript errors, and auto-rename tag for quicker HTML edits. Alright guys, after that create a new folder for your website, then open it in VS Code. Inside you need to add three files, index.html, style CSS, and script.js. These are your HTML, CSS, and JS files. After that, right-click your index.html file and choose Open with Live Server. This launches a real-time preview of your site that updates every time you save. Now you can fine-tune your experience. You can go to Settings and enable Format on Save. Also, you can link your HTML to your CSS and JS files, so changes are reflected instantly. After that, guys, you can just finally make it yours and customize it. So, for example, you can install a theme like OneDark Pro or Material theme to make coding easier for the eyes. And that's pretty much it, guys. As you can see, that's not that complicated. Now you're ready to start building websites with VS Codes. Fast, clean, and powerful. If this helped, click like. Of course, subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.